Okay, now I'm moving to solve the questions. This is simple question of LKS 36. So, firstly, if we have a question or when we face an exam, so we should clearly identify what is the criteria the questions have. So, firstly, we should to understand the details about that. The impairment loss of CGU is 50,000. This has occurred due to a breakdown of a machine. The assets cannot be individually adjusted as it cannot sell in isolate. The CGU consists with following assets: built-in 5 lakhs, machine 2 lakhs. The carrying value of the breakdown machine is 25,000. So, according to this question, they said they can't adjust the assets individually. The assets is like a bond. So that is the main idea of they say. So when we solve this question, we can mainly identify and directly identify the machine has a breakdown by 25,000. So firstly, we should deduct that 25,000 from the machines. So in here see we can see here 2 lakhs of machines has background. This is the loss. So according to this question, we should deduct this background from machine. So 2 lakhs. Then we can say the machine value is 1.75 lakhs. So as we already know, the machine breakdown is 25,000 and the main impairment loss of s- the main impairment loss of CGU 50,000. But we already only know about this 25,000. After deducting this 25,000 from this 15,000, 50,000, we also know there is save 25,000. When I am writing here, the the main impairment loss of CGU is 50,000. So we already know this 50,000. We should deduct the breakdown of machine. It is 25,000. So then the save amount is also 25,000. But now we don't know this 25,000 loss is from building or machine. Then we should count it uh, individually, and then we can take how much the loss of building and machine. So we take it as a mainly function we know. First, we should divide it. The So in here, the machine value is 1.75 lakhs and building value is 5 lakhs. So all together 6.75 lakhs we can take. 5 lakhs. So then we can take this. But this is not the answer. If we want to take this rest of 25,000, we should collect it and we should take from building and machines and we should count it individually. So we use like a function to get the impairment losses, the building and machine. First we should do, we all know the machine value is 5 lakhs. We should divide it from this 6.75 lakhs. Then we should multiply from this using this 25,000. Then we can take a answer. So this is the answer of it. This is impairment loss of building, not the machines. So like this, we can take the machines loss. So we all know the machine value is, this is the now value. So we should divide it from 6.75 lakhs and it should be divide also 25,000. Then answer will be 6,481.481. It's mean 49 likewise. Then all should be 25,000. Then we get all together. Then when we take all together, then we can take this 25,000. As we all know, when we take this together, the impairment loss is 50,000. But when we find the carrying amount, so we should count these for this value. Then only we can take the carrying amount. So building value you all know here 5 lakhs. But if you want to find the carrying amount, this is the loss. So we should deduct from this 5 lakhs. Then we can take as a answer. So this is the carrying amount of building, and like this we can take the machine carrying amount. So we all know this is the value, and we should deduct this loss. Then we can take the carrying amount. So this is the machine carrying amount, and this is the building carrying amount. So this is the answer of this question, and we can also written down the carrying value of the machine after just into the impairment calculation. Uh, this is the answer. So I will talk and I will shout out another question for it will be both help to understand more about the LKS 36.